In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Appdome to add the Centrify service to a third-party app with no code or coding. We're going to add Centrify's single sign-on solution to an app called MyMINT. Here we are in the Appdome platform. I'm in my own personal account here, and first thing I'm going to do is add the MyMINT app binary to my account simply by dragging the APK file to add it to my account. Once I have it in my account, I can then add the Centrify service to that app from Appdome's identity category. So I'm selecting the identity category. I'm going to go ahead and get to the Centrify API by clicking on third-party services, and there you can see the Centrify service at the bottom of the drop-down. You can see here that I've added our own Centrify URL for our instance of Centrify. You would populate your own Centrify URL here. You could optionally add a triggering URL. You would add this if you wanted to add a customized URL to trigger the authentication process. I'm going to leave that blank, and that's going to automatically redirect to the Centrify service when I open the fused apps. So before I fuse the app, I'm going to browse over to the security category and show you some of the advanced app hardening features that Appdome adds to every fused app automatically. Things like anti-debugging, anti-tampering, code obfuscation. So you actually end up with a more secure app than when you started. So now that I'm done making my service selections, and all I've got to do is click this green button, Fuse My App, and at this point the Appdome platform is automatically adding the Centrify service to the app with no code or coding. Essentially, we're fusing the original app binary with the Centrify API without touching the source code. This process takes about 22 seconds. At the end of this process, I will get a new app binary that will have the Centrify service in it. The fusion process is complete, as you can see here on the screen. Now at this point, I've got a few options. This step right here is an optional step. You could brand the app. You could customize the app. I'm going to go ahead and add the Centrify logo to the app just to give it a nice branded look and feel. Before you deploy the app, it obviously has to be signed, so I'm going to go ahead and sign the app on Appdome using Appdome's own Android signing credentials. So once I've signed the app, I could go deploy it. Signing is now complete, so now let's see how the app looks on the phone. So after you've fused the app, how you deploy it is really your choice. Appdome supports public app store deployment, private app store deployment, really any deployment mechanism. I'm going to go ahead and deploy directly through the phone. See this automated email that I got from Appdome. I can simply go retrieve the app here. There's my fused app. There's Professor Fusion. Simply click install, and the fused app will deploy to my Android device, and then we will open it up and watch it connect to the Centrify service automatically. I'm opening the app at this point. There's the MyMINT screen showing up, and there we go. We were redirected to Centrify, and all I've got to do is input my Centrify credentials, and Centrify handles the rest. And I'm in the app. So to recap what I just did here, I just used Appdome to add Centrify single sign-on to a third-party app without any coding in about a minute. This can be done for any mobile app on any platform using Appdome.